Hi, I'm Jory, and welcome to my channel. I am coming on to say that I am feeling guided to create more videos for the collective, to create more general videos that pertain to the energy of a larger collective. I am feeling guided to continue to do twin flame and high level soulmate readings as I feel guided to do them. However, I am feeling strongly guided to move toward addressing other topics along with twin flame and high level soulmates. So I'm going to start this morning with a early bird tarot reading. I am feeling guided to pull from the traditional tarot deck and see what messages are coming in for this morning for whoever's listening to this reading. What messages are coming in for this morning? If you clicked on this video, there are messages coming in for you in this reading. Whenever you click on this video, take what resonates and leave the rest. So the cards that I am guided to speak on for this morning's reading is the Ace of Wands upright, the King of Wands upright, and the Page of Wands upright. The Ace of Wands representing, wow, these are all Wands cards. So the Ace of Wands representing new project, inspiration, urge to create, willpower, desire, power, potential, beginnings, new opportunities, growth. The King of Wands upright representing natural leader, visionary, entrepreneur, big picture, overcoming challenges, mature, career focused. And then the Page of Wands upright representing inspiration, ideas, discovery, limitless potential, free spirit, exploration, excitement, freedom. So the message coming in for you this morning is that you might be working on a new project. You might have an urge to create. And whatever you are working on now is deeply connected to your desires. And I'm getting that this desire could be your soul desire. I'm getting that whatever you're working on, I'm hearing, see the bigger picture. This has something to do with your growth on your spiritual path, with your growth on your soul journey. Whatever you're doing, I'm sensing is inspired by inspired by this. I have inspiration for the Ace of Wands and the Page of Wands. So inspiration is very significant for you. Whatever you're creating is something that you are inspired by something to do. I'm sensing that this could be a soul inspiration, something that inspired your soul, something that you were inspired by from connecting deeply with yourself, or something that you saw something somewhere and you were inspired by this and this caused you to create something, but whatever you're creating is leading you closer to seeing the bigger picture. I'm getting that this is a mature energy that is a free spirit. The word discovery is also really standing out for me here. So I'm getting that there is something that you're going to discover today. Whenever you are tuned into this reading, there is something that you are about to discover, either about yourself or about something in your life, something about today that you're tuning into this. This something is going to excite you, inspire you, empower you. I'm getting the message this is the time that there is so much potential in your action, in your thought, and potential beginnings is the word standing out for me here for Ace of Wands, and potential, limitless potential here for the Page of Wands is standing out to me. So there's something about potential energy. So something that you're about to do, something that you could do today that is going to spark a new beginning in your life. Yes, this strong energy of discovery and exploration is resonating strongly for this message. So I'm getting that you already have ideas about what this means for you. So be open today for new opportunities, for potential beginnings. And be open to the new ideas that are coming from a space of inspiration, of discovery. Take a moment to connect with your energy today, to do some kind of meditation, to sense into your ideas, what's on your heart, what's on your soul. Let's take this moment to breathe in slowly and deeply, and out, releasing all tension in our bodies. Let's take this moment to become aware of our own energy. Breathe in slowly and deeply. And out. Again, breathe in slowly and deeply. And out. Grounding yourself in the present moment. Ground yourself in the present moment.